aerobic respiration, here after glycolysis, two steps are there. So the first step is pyruvic acid oxidative decarboxylation, and the second step is TCA cycle or tricarboxylic acid cycle. It is also called as Krebs cycle. Also called as citric acid cycle. A pyruvic acid oxidative decarboxylation. In glycolysis, the pyruvic acid is synthesized in the cytoplasm. This pyruvic acid is it is entering into the mitochondria. Glucose is converting into pyruvic acid. It is present in the cytoplasm. But here in aerobic respiration, the two steps here, pyruvic acid oxidative decarboxylation and TCA cycle, and next step also, all these are taking place in the mitochondria. The pyruvic acid enters into mitochondria. Pyruvic acid is present in the cytoplasm. It is entering into the mitochondria with the help of some proteins, pyruvate translocators. It is translocated with the help of some proteins, enters into mitochondrial matrix. Then in the mitochondrial matrix, the reactions are taking place. All these here oxidative decarboxylation and Krebs cycle reactions are taking place in the mitochondrial matrix. So let us see here pyruvic acid oxidative decarboxylation. First step, pyruvic acid, it is converting into acetyl coenzyme A. In this step, pyruvic acid is converting into two molecules of acetyl coenzyme A. Acetyl coenzyme A is a 2-carbonous component. Pyruvic acid is 3-carbonous component. So for pyruvic acid is converting into two molecules of acetyl coenzyme A. And here in this for this conversion, some cofactors are required. So these cofactors are NAD and thymine. Okay, for this here some cofactors are required, NAD plus TPP and coenzyme A, magnesium ions and FAD. So here some cofactors are required. So all these are some vitamins only. Here NAD, TPP, coenzyme A, magnesium, these are cofactors are required for the conversion of pyruvic acid into acetyl coenzyme A. And here some enzyme complexes are also involving. So in this pyruvic acid, it is undergoing one decarboxylation. Decarboxylation means carbon dioxides are removed. From pyruvic acid, from each and every pyruvic acid, one carbon dioxide is removed. So two molecules, two CO2s are removed. So it is a decarboxylation process. Pyruvic acid is undergoing decarboxylation. Next, oxidation reaction. Oxidation means here it is oxidized. Pyruvic acid is undergoing oxidation, means pyruvic acid, from pyruvic acid hydrogens are removed. So these hydrogens are received by NAD plus. Here two molecules, there are also two molecules of NAD plus. It is it is from the pyruvic acid hydrogens are removed and NAD is receiving the hydrogens. So NAD is accepting or receiving the hydrogens from pyruvic acid. It is oxidized, it is reduced. Here it is giving hydrogens to NAD. So it is receiving, it is reduced. So NAD is reduced into 2 NADH2s. So pyruvic acid is undergoing one oxidation. Oxidation means it is oxidized, it is reduced, undergoing one oxidation and a decarboxylation. From this carbon dioxides are removed, hydrogens are removed, and here it is the single step pyruvic acid is undergoing oxidation and decarboxylation. At the end of this reaction, 2 molecules of acetyl coenzyme A is produced. So this reaction is catalyzed by here pyruvic dehydrogenase. Pyruvic dehydrogenase. Here it is an enzyme complex involving in the carbon dioxide removal and oxidation process also. So here it is the second step in the total aerobic respiration. It is the second step, pyruvic acid oxidative decarboxylation. So in this step, the end products are acetyl coenzyme A and 2 NADH2s. The summary of this reaction: 2 molecules of pyruvic acid and coenzyme A NAD plus all are 2 molecules, 2 coenzyme A's and 2 molecules of NAD converting into acetyl coenzyme A's. 2 acetyl coenzyme A and 2 NADH2s and 2 CO2s in the presence of different cofactors. So 2 molecules of pyruvic acid converting into 2 molecules of acetyl coenzyme A. Here 2 carbonous component. Why? Because from 3 carbonous component 1 carbon is removed. From each pyruvic acid 1 carbon is removed. So 3 minus 1, 2 carbonous acetyl coenzyme A's are produced. So it is the second step in the aerobic respiration.